Yeah, sure, bafethu ithophoyitha metho team to my dad. If normal sengino khona senyana omkhulu 777. Bafethu uyapita la benga. Namhlanje we are having khotso. Sputla abatayiwe. Abamthanda bambiza ngikhila amabhodo but ke athi simiyeka introduce khotso.
Sheshe ngiyajana.
Ngandlela.
Sharp. Mina ngokhotso ngegama lamahlwane. No names khila amabhodo but then abanye lethi ngosputla abatayiwe.
So igama lika khotso lisukela ba ila ilingela kakhila kahle lisukela ba before siqala.
It was 2009. Sadlala ku Super 11 under 13. So I was playing as a striker. Then njengoba wazi uKatle Komphela was banging goals. Now being the same thing. But then each time I evolve sengijoina iAmadanoni Katlong Youngsters.
Yeah.
Then ngahlangana noGotman Bobo lokisha amabhodo. Then uJomo commentator wayiconvert lento le wayenza into iwana athi khila amabhodo.
So also wena uMatala lo amabhodo uqaleni ukuhlangana naye.
Ngihlangane naye it was 2012 masiqeda ukudliwa ku final of Danone. Yeah, it was 2012. Then sahamba sayidlala tournament eDexter. After ukudlala leya tournament, yeah, that was day one from me. Aqala ukungisupporta kwaba supporter number 1 yami. Namhlanje.
Sisi supporter number 1. So sisivile sayirasha ngasayi. But ke athi siqale la nje wena uqala va idisk wena.
Idisk ngicala ngisaseyintwana. I was 6. There was a team kaSlambathi Dynamos, a coach was omunye sister ohleli. Siloko sidlala then it happened ukuthi iphele team yakhe. Ngalanda omunye coach uTonto kuMarabela sadlala i-team yaphela. Then kwavela iSuper 11. After Super 11
ngakho Super 11.
I was being 9 Super 11. Yeah, started kanjalo from under 11 saze sagraduate safika under 17 maseyiphele i-team. Yeah.
So ku Super 11 bese noMatala bakakhona inhlehle kuba igama la kaMatala feel.
Ithema la Mutebu
Matala le
Ububu. Yeah,
Ububu. So wena Ububu uthole una how many years?
Ungithole ngina 13. It was 13 years old.
It's been years
mina naye nje.
Yeah,
and you know some of the things abantu angebasibona. They think maybe manje njengoba ngibusy ngeleague or maybe ngibusy ngezinye izinto zempilo ngimkhohliwe and one thing I'll never do ukuthi ngikhohlwe that time. Ngila ngikhona namhlanje uye.
Yeah. Ile gama elikhulu namhlanje
uye.
So mabuya ke under 13 waqhubeka bedlala ileague ka-under 13.
Yeah, besidlala ileague le yala eEden Park.
So uyini igama le-team?
Beku Super 11.
Super 11. Wagraduate then it came to isikhathi ukuthi sekudlala ama-tournaments nabo-Danone. So I think i-first team yakho modlala first team bodlalela yiphi club?
Bengidlalela aMarabela. I was 12 esomhlolo. Ngidlala kuMarabela.
So you played the full game or nje lama introduction?
Just the introduction yana 15 minutes
leyo. Wenza izinto zenzeke.
Lapho bengisase striker, yabo. Bangintroducer. Then ngwenze ukuthi bangidribe in the 18 sathola penalty.
First game yami. Komnyama esomhlolo.
Hey. You know, they are feeling ngisho ne. Sometimes nokungena egroundini. Manje sengijwayele nongena egroundini uzwe ngathi amadola ayashika uzwe ngathi ugijima emoyeni awazi kwenzakala
zolana ze-feeling then bakubisa penalty bilili club noma
besilida 3-0 yeah but then ngoba bese siqualifyile baye introduce ama player amancane yabo then kwenze ukuthi nami ngizoba leyo nhlanhla ukuthi ngingene ngenze something like a penalty.
So when I believe ukuthi inhlanhla or into oyitshela boyazi ukuthi lento ngayenza manje mawungitshele ke le feeling mayongena la eground bakubiza bathi khohlo ifu sakufaka no. What was the information abakunika yona from coach?
Yazi coach bengijima ne first team most of the times but then bengidlala kuma unders. Coach uvele wathi ngena wenza into yakho ndada manje isikhathi sakho ukuthi ikahle ongekwazi ukuthi ubani. That was the message phela angitshele yona.
Wangena wenza into yakho. So nje ushelela nje kuphela.
Being free, you know, sometimes as some of the coaches coaching, I think now adlala ihole la ngikhona namhlanje. Ngoba they've never ukuthi bangitshela ukuthi yenzani bavele bangitshela ukuthi hayi ngene ground nishaye ispan sakho.
Waziyenza
Uyazi capable ngani. Mangabe wenza into wrong so director lapho nalapho. Otherwise nje yenza into yakho.
I mean, was that the case na kosadlala ngalamona? Ko ilibad.
Yeah. You know, kangalamona it will happen ukuthi mangabe siyalidwa. Ucoach uzokutshela ukuthi mangabe indoda wena udlali. Sho ukuthi hayi i-team angeke win. Yabo. So in most teams engadlalelayo, I feel like ama team coach bayenza team based on me, around me.
Should ba plana ngawo.
Yeah.
So like since very growing up and ebuncaneni bakho ukuthi irresponsibility iba kuyo in most cases. So lento khule so ijwayele ukuthi okay irresponsibility ilali.
Don't you feel pressure?
Pressure thing. But then to my late dad, time alaka kilona lengukileng. You know some of the things ang rutileng balena nil soccer player. Some of the things ang rutileng na yebe akadlala. It depends on where you are scores and not one around and trades along. On the pizza side, I will get throwing or anything. I'm busy, I'm milling and trades in future. I can't want to wait along. If we know about the career football, something get into serious. And what was you just straight? I want to go. I feel like me so we're not our call you can bring like a parliamentary security. So now on country, yes, it's time and into the century. Ricky gets into a fast, he gets into the right.
On motivation.
Yeah.
So matala vele since vele nakhona empilweni yakho.
Yes.
Umuntu beka
Anginika.
So for endlini vele. Okay, so lento le kahle ukuba ukhila uphuma endlini kahle.
Yeah,
Uphuma endlini. So matala ko yadlala ipi position.
Because as a winger, sometimes language manje bathi is number 10 or sometimes you win. Yeah.
So again
What's wrong with that?
Yeah.
So I really played Congo Gabon.
Yeah.
And then after some times you were found for Pirates. How
Yeah.
did you get there? How did that start? Je wena Figo.
Relatively friendly game against Pirates.
Kangalamo.
Yeah, Nangalamuna. Ni stars. Yeah.
More.
Relatively against Pirates. If friendly.
Yeah.
Nakona any time Ogla Stan.
Yeah.
Stan was a Fos Lucas.
Yeah.
Who was totally friendly with the under 17 Pirates. Sadlala. It depends what you bang sport him in no figure. Then Bacha is Bazos. The following week we played again friendly against one. After the friendly was chairman in no figure season so reported to training.
So
That's how we get with Pirates.
So in that case ganana napapani.
I played a season.
Season 1 was under.
I was supposed to play under 17, but then Coach Manza Wang Chacha was under 19.
Under 92.
Unajua kwa Pirates.
You know, the youngsters are today who easy for the development thing. You know, I'm a development before. Food teaching is Pirates. I'm a player manning like my development the Pirates also jail. Lapako easy. Uzwa usechimini ukuthi yeah. La ngifake ibheji enkulu eAfrica. You know ucoach nokutshela ukuthi ungazi ukugijima ngathi usekishini lagogo wakho. Akutshela ukuthi phela awukadlaleli Pirates sajimela ukudlalela iPirates. Yeah, ungazitshela ukuthi ufikile.
Awukafile.
Yeah, that was the words mina I will always hear from coach. But then mina bengayithathi njengokuthi coach yangizonda in. Bekangikhulisa because ubona potential ekimi. Yeah, that's why nje mina benginokuthi makayikhuluma lezo zinto. Yeah, sharp with training. After training ngiye kuye ngimuze coach, okay. Njengoba ungikhuze lento kanje, ngayenzani ukuthi ngibe better. Yeah.
So udlala isizini ye-1 under 19. Then what happened ukuthi niphathe waves and nipakani?
It was 2017, I think. 17 or 18. 17. Yeah, it was 2017. 2016 later, year 2017. It happened ukuthi sesiseleng ama player I8 under 19 Pirates.
Yeah.
The only thing bebayenza bebayigcwalisela ngama player under 17.
Yeah.
So they decided ukuthi then kube sibe nalama player 8 ajime awodwa yabona. It happened ukuthi bachithe yonke le 8 beku under 19.
So baqalele phansi.
So bebadlalisa under 17 yabo ku under 17 na ku under 19 which is
so konyo subona 18 years.
Yeah,
so bongasa qualify.
yeah, bese ngasa qualify.
So ngiyayizwa ke. Athi sithathe mawubuya la lokushini ke ubuya as ukhila ubuya udlala iBhakania. Mawubuya like bufila kanjani lokushini? How did you think ukuthi abantu bakubheka kanjani? Bongalanto ukuthi esani sengishintshile wabona ngathi impilo seyangihlula manje because of sengibuyile lokushini ngisadlala iBhakania.
You know one thing engangayifunda because first before ngifika eBhakania ngaya kuKhosi I didn't spend 4 months lapha. Bekwamele ngiregister ku-Chiefs then bafuna ukuthi ngishintshe isikolo. Yaphumulani bathi angeke sikhona ukushintshisa isikolo ngoba sekwi-mid year manje.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the following season kula ngiya ku-Pirates. Then after ukuya ku-Pirates I think ngihlele 2 weeks. Coach Thabo Solo siweza zokukota kithi. Wathi ngwenya we've been playing against you. Bengilonge ngibhekile ngiyakwazi into nasikasi. Ngicela uzongidlalela le season le kuphela kuSwalosi. Ngoba iSwalosi ayibona seyikucela ungidlalele le season le then sobona ukuthi senza njani. Yeah, so ukuya kuPirates azange kungaffect azange kwenzeni. Ngivele ngaya kuSwalosi ngasichubekela ngedisk kahle.
Waqhubeka so udlale ikusolo udlale half season.
Ngidlala isizini iphele wonke ama game.
Wonke ama game. Should be ba play should nakhona planning beyikuwele.
Kahle kuSwalosi. Our main man beku Capitec.
Yebo stories please.
So Capitec uzokutshela kahle ukuthi ungamaki masimaka wena ima mina ngizomaka
sponsor.
Plus kuSwalosi bebabili vela kule system ye 442. So it mean kuzoba yimi no Capitec sizimele essential. Then siba namachita striker.
Yeah.
But then in most cases mina ngizongithola ngiachecker yena azimele nje. Yeah.
So mangathi fana ungasho ukuthi the player enjoy ukudlala nayo kakhulu Capitec kahle.
Yeah.
Nano nje mongadlala nayo yonke into right.
Yazi in football bakhuluma iqiniso mabathi sometimes uyanavara. You go yazi hale player ichop. Chop. Yazi mawungazinika isikhathi uyibukele le player.
Understand.
Umuntu ongamboni egroundini ukuthi wenzani but then mawungathi ufocusa ku goal yakho ubheka ukuthi igoal yeCDM yini ukuthi mina yenzeni you'll see ispan sakhe groundini.
Ngoba vele Capitec start.
Yeah.
Stop
Yeah.
there.
You came back from Pirates, ne?
Yeah.
And then you came back to Amadan Monhan.
Yeah.
And you started beating the team around.
Yeah.
You know the about the other dogs? I was going to sing.
Plus we need Donna nonke.
You know, with Danon, there was Hotman in Nisahli sporting. The only thing I hit at Coronel Nari Chimisa are motivators, I think. Hotman in Balkasaidu, little to super sport. Hotmanila never have a chima. He will train with us. And if you open yao, utlafila or no kimaka ke mocho khodi. Aba chima o tla pusha aura o yetse ga kala o tefa o shutsa. That's how football it is. Yabo. I remember first game ya gona we played against Henneken. Into ala kuphela. There's no one over 18 or over 17 into ala sonke. Yabo.
Na experience.
Yo. Umayoyo ke wawisa umlimo ebhutsu ngiyikhumbula wamuyisa phansi
Pine for sure.
so masiyeka half time siyabhekana manje amajita ayashika ngathi fiko yazi ngoba wo skillful kakhulu kusidlula no KG ngathi anenze something for 5 minutes singathi ke singayenzi khona into engifuna ukuyibona ithi mayiqala igame sayenza lento le Yeah, then say when I'm supporter manage. Namakotman now I was chase the way we were chasing. Serious I was slowly I was like okay, it's just a chance we win. Yeah.
Now we win a win at the game.
So we not get you.
Benjiwa.
See you go have Champions League 1-0.
We're plastic we're very more sharaku.
Imagine why? Hey, you all had it. You're not making. That's me. Where's that thing?
I'm not looking into much details, but then there are some of the things in life just needing challenge to succeed. It depends on who fit le motho a flasha chelete isfahlong sa machit le isfahlong sa coach, then waqala ba le division team waqala ba division. Sometimes that person he will come knocking his o tlo see that chelete o see le ntho le 21 piece ya KFC yabo
And the Salentwana.
Salentwana wena phela ke ga ona ke ntho tseo. Sometimes phela as batho ha re tswe di feminine
yeah.
ona le baka maybe KFC we after 4 months or neng yabo. So it depends on what we when we still stayed there o matanana we wa etsala wa ba le group e nngwe motho o sa tlile ma players a wa tla isa tournament tse ding. Okay, it's okay.
No, it's okay.
Safe space, relax.
Okay. Okay, aye. It depends on it depends on who looks at in China. Then coach or then mutual decide it's about into one. But then never got a tournament, it's up of it, then there was some chance of it, come a hot man. That's how who can get team into 18 members. Yeah, come on, go sit at leisure.
Yeah,
You remember Nakakala more extension, more text that was Kamal Bochico, you remember? Yeah. That's how we say in jail, 18 members.
At Kalaranja.
Yeah, Kalaranja.
So, imagine, do you think currently Lava consistent than it's a Shapawaj? Like till now.
Football sometimes it will evolve fast, I'll never say maybe something like dominate. But then surely, if we never try to maybe we never try to sponsors from someone or try status, maybe ABC or SAP. But then I think maybe now, there can be maybe NFT. I can see.
Yeah, I cannot clear. You're already too good. Okay, with that being said, and then how did Zone 3 start? Because
Zone 3 mkalele Spain FC. Ile makhotmana phadimene le machita phadima itlallang fela. Yeah. The likes of Kagiso Mashishi yabo. Ne badlala dana ba itlalla. So it's after 6 na team. It's because of the injury. 6 na team match. Next again. KNK. Yeah, so there was no way of Kazala. So I had to give you 6 months. It's like for that. Next one I did was on the science. Ne watch it up Lomalona. Manchella, fictional team, and they were at the winner league, Super League, was a lot of playoff. I win a playoff was a lot of SAP. So if we're now each other about was allowed on us to I was making when it's Lunas of the season, the playoff, not culture season. That's how Zone 3 it can thing. Cast pay Nicolani tournament, but I join Super, Razala SAP. Then Babita Machi take off and never wanna capable of Bakawin is a team league.
Because I remember it had this thing young Galamona. I sometimes.
Yeah.
He was taking the tournament left and right. Then it went on Leona and it came to a point more where Leona said me.
You know, sometimes in life, motho ka metsetsa ntho e grand life as ka appreciate, yabo. Le bona ba nketsetsa ntho tse grand a ke hana. But then it came to a point where se ke feel ke sa batle around one. When some of the things motho nga go jetse straight, the actions tsa ke tsona tse tlo bua. Le today santsane go tlosa bohloko go ba shebella ha ba dlala ke shebelle ntho ke bona. I'm not saying ba dlala ampo ke but then they take demands ba sang ke tournament ba sa itseng. Di ba ka dlala tournament tse for ba di jowe kaofela. Before they never hit in 2003. Ne o tlo dlala tse for reception ne le pitch. Yeah, hey. You know,
duty treatment being as a fan.
You know, I'm actually down ka hlale phadima. Ama supporters on ka hlale phadima. Bo uthi mawudlula lapho ubone out yakho. Uze ngomama kuchuka ngomama. Cabanga ngisibuza ukuthi lo mama ngichuka ngomama vele straight. Just because ayikuthi bekafuna.
That's because
that they are paying their izwile ukuthi angisekho. Yabo, but then it happened ukuthi kancane silo yavuma. Khana nabo ba understand into yangihambisa. Yeah, but then at first bekungekho lula. You know, sometimes awusakhona nokubloma kuphi, awusakhona ukwenza.
Yeah.
Mele uzivalele. Maybe mawufuna ukuya somewhere ubize out yakho ekhaya cela ungikhaphe abantu bangangiboni estradini. Yeah.
Uyabona phela Zone 3 was killer was Zone 3.
Ngisho kanjani. It's just that the
ifana namanje suthi Capitec and Thulane they are Zone 3 straight because of Mawubheka a performance ka Capitec no Thulane like bayifela club. Yeah, bayifela le club le. Like ungabhekile ama game abhaya ka Thulane. Uyayifela club like uyenza show umfowethu. Even though uyazi izinto zenzeka ke but then egcine umuntu obufika iclub yambona lo muntu uyabathwala noma kunzima. So naleso sikhathi siyabe kuwe now we will into le and we did the same thing emama. Then what happened for you to achieve from 80 members to Mtakazi, in which is Mtakazi is the biggest club manje ecompetayo and ne mamba the time uku mamba beba wina yonke into. Khathi ukuzona tribing. Yeah, remember but shoot wena uwenje nama winners everywhere uyakhona wena kunewini konke khona ngawe. So Kambani, how do you move from members to Zone 3? You Mutakazi.
Hey. Same thing. Young Pin. I was too loyal, yabo. You know, mofike chimini ube ne agreement nomuntu nikhulume ukuthi ya every month nikuzenzakala kanje nakanje. Then suddenly ayisayenzakala.
Yeah.
You win a tournament, their players actually mad when out to next. I was like, you know what, killer. Man, we the kind of pants. Challenge. Challenge. Yeah, you know some of the things. One thing I've learned in Pino. Not to which everyone also appreciate. Gakulu umuntu akappreciate Mosa sela phambi kwakhe. Once you move, kana zoqala uku appreciate. So I was like, yazini, I think shift mina ngiyazicalela into emphansi. Plus futhi bese decide ukuthi ama tournament kancane. Yabo ngizothola i-team la ngidlala khona.
Yeah. So loyalty went to Mtakazi approach kanjani. They come with the same mentality to him fit una agreement yethu mina nawe kunje na kanje or a change of his story because of angithi bisoni club man. So nivumelani kanjani ukuthi okay no okay killer siyakulanda sakudinga la Mtakazi, we want you to play for us. So what's the plan there man? Ngicala kanjani?
First time yami ukudlala kuMtakazi. Ngathi extra uthuni. Kharos Athi mfethu hona le out yaka e batla o tlo idlalla. Game e one fela batla o bona. Ke ga ye mfethu ke weekend ke free ke tlozokala. Awuna stress. Angambi ngidlala after game Chemenez ayintona yo. Khale ko shebella udlala members but then today I've seen udlala team yaka ko bona ko you are a player that dies for the team. So nakuba unhlalle whenever usadlala league kuba uthi choose if team ngiyawole imali man. That's how ngicale ngadlala kuMtakazi. But then some of the games angekho ngoba i-league and stuff. Yeah.
So like i-team yakho iVara Sports yona bayicova kanjani indaba yakho ukuthi udlala ama-tournaments sometimes even now and then because of obviously I guess maybe they are restricting you ukuthi ndodalana so like how do you take that?
At first bebangana stress mana hence bengilunga ngidlala ama-tournament ngidlala but then uPiwu wahlala nami phansi athi isina ukiller so body shape ngifuna ube kuyo cela uye ukudlala ama-tournaments then something will happen in your life impilo yakho izoshintsha kancane yebo in as much as ngidlala ku-lower league sometimes you need money ukuthi uyodlala ama-tournament manje sengizitshela ukuthi hayi okay tournament just nje ngifuna ukufocusa ngenzele mina ngibone ukuthi if I can focus for 2 years kungayenzekana
futhi sozinike nje 2 years uthini ube grand ubone ukuthi khona iclub nya ezokufuna no okay so plus no udlalile maybe first season yakho neVara Sport
second season
le second season no win i-league
and
ngithole ididing so ngidlala ama-playoffs manje njengoba sikubambe off guard and sisapreferela ama-playoffs
sure
so like during the season maniluke nidlala how was it like because I guess bisesenale into ebaya ama-tournament amaningi nani wena maqala uzilungisa kanjani?
You know ukuqala kwami udecide ukuthi yazi manje I'm stopping ukudlala. There was a point ukuthi silida number 2 of 7 points. It happened ukuthi sidlala ama-3 2. Silose i-1. Mawuthi yabheka labantu baloku bawina. Bavala igap sebashiya nga 2 points. It happened sidlala i-draw. Sebashiya nga 1 point. So I had ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngibona ukuthi since iqalile season I've never covered the distance ukuthi ngilonge ngicover ngoba sometimes ngiyama ngiyodlala weekend ngibuya ngikhathela so ukuthi ngiyeke lento le better ngiyeke ukudlala ama-tournament ukuthi ngizokhona ukucover distance edingekayo
teamini so prioritize iVara Sports.
Let's team sengathi you went to so many teams. You went to JDR.
Yeah.
Awubona komama.
Yeah. And by that time ke tlo sign JDR. I was this close to get to the span. Co-grinding media. As a machine operator. Then it came to a point where ke Blomal Makreza ke mo Makreza ke phone tse team so. And I want to sponsor a piece. What do you suggest? Makreza and you know khotso salentwana a tlameya go ikenyetse pressure go batla o etsa everything jarete via o sign a contract hila o enjoy 2 seasons se bo feeling yona then o trying after that o bona go etsa la not knowing okay o decide on ka part ya football o tlo nkawatha obane after Hudula wa ka JDR azange pitch ke play same player nje mangqedo aqeda 10 minutes alone I decided to you know what football ke grand ka yona
You hate it.
Too much. I don't think o tlo bala anything e tlo mo changes ka yona too much. You know there are players there tse gola le tournament. When was our whole thing? Are you allowed?
How is tournament?
Yes.
Marabaho.
Yeah.
When our whole but nix.
And you know, there was a point where I heard Linda gave now a Mesoka player. Get something deep. There was a point where Banchai in this team you'll never play as number 10. There's no space for you number 10. We'll play you as a right back. I was like, Maraling Sane is number 10. How? But then he puts it up below in the Asian this year. I was like, okay, it's fine. Another right back. Performer. until ke thola game e-1 against Obit.
Yeah.
The thing I didn't play na kwetile but the second right back ne sena le lokhathi. Yabo, so I didn't kick the 15 minutes. We played, we won sharp. Then after that, right back ele when elements say for deal. They'll never look at you again. Mucho wena uspanel. How sinyele mo lokisang. How sinyele mo lokisang. But then I told myself, man, you've been through a lot. Plus, I've met. TTM. It's not like one team in Terro. The only team young head is Kukun. So I signed a pre-contract.
A lot of you
in your car and is Kukun. What happening?
Let's get what's a NFT. So I signed a contract. My God, the season. I think maybe 70 or 60. If I'm Sichima.
Did you have about 15 months?
Yeah.
70. Yo.
Never buy.
Man, Chima.
Never Chima was in the Chima lead. Yeah. It's easy. So it happened okay. Team manager for me. Really famous. Get like office in the coach. Bang phone la bantu tla gae. Fetu contract ya wa say one. I was like contract ya say one. But then it's up phone la Tsepo, which is my agent, my chairman now. So phone la Tsepo, he was like, okay, don't worry my boy. Then TTM really like it's able to get about okay. I will yabona i-preseason ungathi ube se team in preseason yonke play against the Pirates, playing against what really udlala against abo Golden Eagles in 2 weeks izocala before izocala season angisho kule week le yenye sibalungisa ama people basayina wonke ama player bawufuna 2 weeks before injury iquad idabuke
win TTM lapho.
TTM idabuke iquad ngibuye sharp angisho ngabe bangisayine phela iplayer limele and TTM by that time beku PSL because to change status dabuke sharp how angicedi na 3 days ngisendlini sengipholile really gym last day bathi masijima lapha manager afike lapha ngitshela ukuthi after training ngizosign contract office gym quad idabuke futhi same quad nguye kazi how 2 days umuntu sopholile
Shithi konke khona.
Man
Konke khona. Angeke.
So you don't affect anything.
yeah I think by now come back we say the stories of my life come back now can appreciate all the ball come back somewhere quite up yeah if nesi can tutse unje
So I think taking you back to historical Chiefs,
yeah
don't you think Utini would have got any chance better if you Pumlanile akudedela ngaleso sikhathi?
you know I think bengizoba an opportunity to play like first team because man yazi any time isikhuse kuyo uye kahle wayenza ukuthi ngibe lapha le time le yabatshela ukuthi you know some of the players ngizocanga ukuthi bavila lapha but then it's not that lo muntu lo he seems like uyavila but then he does most of the work yabo that was when bebaqala ukubukela kahle babona ukuthi unama capability sokuthi ngibe la
Freak specialist.
yes
So kuningi kahle technically esikhukuni la into quite na no nje ngathi mawukhuma nayo ikumosha umoya kakhulu like so how do you recover after riding there?
you know Hotman Leo type boy has been there for me you know bengisasentwana plus I think being 19 or 20 makwenzakale lento ye-contract bekusasene-20 awuyazi uma uyiplayer intwana sekasi ipressure yonke into you might end up wenza izinto
ezirong
leya khothi manje ngigcoka ahlala nami phansi yathi you know some of the things sports ukuthi ube right some of eminyango yavaleka but then you don't have ukuthi mawuthola lo uvalekile okukhiwe ungasaqhubeki ngale minyango
kokota kwemini
khona lo umunye uzothi kokota kanti akunahendlela uyazivulekela nje yabo wangitshela ukuthi angapheli moya
kuseduze phambili
yeah lawo magama asahleli ekhanda namanje
kuseduze phambili
manje mina who are the best 3 players Tsako Katlehong that you can put forward? No. Current folks now.
Young old. Oh, tsedlala no.
Yeah,
tsedlala no.
Yeah.
Tsako Katlehong fela o
Katlehong specifically Katlehong.
Hey. Number 1 okay, let's go number 3.
Yeah.
Ski. KP check number 3. Skiroko number 2. Sfiso number 1.
Pause.
Yeah.
Pause.
Yeah. When we had this car, yeah, but then there's Sfiso.
Pause.
There's Sfiso.
The pause.
I have a guy 5.
Okay.
There's Gabriel.
Pugala.
Yeah. But what I am going to wait.
But
then that plays chop. That plays chop. Then the upcoming Popo. I believe there's a lot I can offer her. There's a lot. If only I can focus ask I wanna some of batch but to laughing about it to chop. Just if I want to try out o lahlisa kelelo wena o bele ntse le mahitla o dima. Tshantsa focus fela mfana.
So monga advice uthini monga champ advisor no because of okay udiscipline udlala ku cultural joints asiphela indaba zama tournaments nani so what advice ungamnika yona ukuthini improve or asikhulise kwayena ingqondweni because of obviously mncane naye 17 years of age and manje maybe siyana lento ukuthini maybe sengithola kuphikini bani uzongibambisa something nyana sengiyakwazi ukuthenga ini sengiyakwazi ukuthenga utshwala nama gents nani so yini ungam-advise ngakuthini ayenze
One thing, first thing ebalulekile ukuhlonipha nokustay humble. You know, yazi ifame i-downfall yomuntu mayiyeka ingene ekhanda i-downfall into enye ngizomtshela yona ukuthi angadlali ibhola ukuthi abheke ukuthi ngifuna imali. You know, sometimes ngawuchase after imali angeke uyithola. Wena dlala ibhola, makadlala ibhola nje focus ediskini then imali izozizela. Yabona la khona ku DDC. Makahlala positive. Noma ngamdlalisa kanzini, anga give up, focus until isikhathi sakhe sofika. You'll never know angadlala ama game ethu actually first team contract.
So don't you think I never buys this in Children Cancer?
It would. That's why the weekend in the goal like Mohammed.
But don't you think we could be betrayal or coach?
You know, sometimes how much I think coaches are fit to the stage our mental coaches to the world. Yeah, I tell them for now focus on building career.
I'm pushing very much
Don't let go to let them live. Yeah, rather than I'm ready say I'm going to be for it. I'm meant to even to I just show Sikhathi tamba nabantu abaweird yabo. So mina bengisitshela ukuthi hayi man maybe abachita sikas like but then kanti kula vele umntana naye sekasigubhela umuntu wakhe.
Isigubhela wakho umkhulu, you know. So sesivala nokubona khila athi ngithi mangathi give me 5 best coaches ongathi ba-coach or aba-coach ongathi yeah they are good ungayenza i-top 5 list yakho.
Coach Tagachi, All Stars, but now Kruger. Coach Numan Mapeza, TTM, but now he coach the national team in Zimbabwe. Let me see. LB Mpomakola, my first spot. Coach Pep, Lobel Coach Ago, Dondol, Lobel Coach.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 minutes in Pomloi. Ngoba I had a time nine.
So masingathi athi sithi locally sithi Cacholas. The Cacholas they say mention 3 within their best. We think ukuthi no mangathi manje umuntu ngathi manje ngifuna mentor I'm a coach with club yami which 3 coaches ongabayenza within sithi ama head coach ayi2 na assistant coach yi1.
Cacholas Neville, yeah, head coach. I see, yeah, head coach. Mpumloi. Yeah. Let me see. Cacholas. The legendary Jamla Eskelmin. Yeah.
So, yeah, assistant coach Umevole. Then I might coach I2 I think.
And I will put Meskel as a head coach. Jamla head coach. Yeah, you know, Hash. Then our 2 assistants, yeah, it's about 2 minutes in the phone. Yeah.
Manje Bunda, after all you went to Kopolo, what would you advise in Ntwana yakho guys? Maybe Bontwana tse tshwanang bo Phokoso kapa tse ding. Like e batla like Ntwana tse who look up to you. Because we know the Ntwana tse who look up to you. Maybe tse pizza ka wena. Like o batla o ba mo leng teng. Let's say for example kapa o tsamaya mo tsamaileng teng. So nka mo advise hore
you know, some of the things plus existence are right, but then one thing is not outstanding. How you behave outside the field. That's one. That's 2. Dedication, the hard work, and 2 sometimes you don't have to maybe hard next fast. Just be yourself, man. You know, some of the players they tend to battle it and show it and battle it and you feeling to only one. You can't be anyone. Just be yourself, express yourself on the color ground. Then everything is alright.
yeah.
So ngiyabe sesivala vela sithi siyabonga ukuthi usibe yina ozobathena sayenza i-riding podcast nawe and good luck naku-riding nakuma-playoffs akho. So hopefully uwine la then wenza into egrand. So bona ngithi isikhathi masiloku esiye ukuthi wanthola riding maybe konke ezovela nakuya contract nyana nje wish you all the best ukuthi na i-contract nyana enkulu ivele uthola into ezigrand nawe njalo.
Sure.
Esivala futhi sithanda ukubonga Madibeng Funerals for ukuthi isinike indawo ne-RNC and thank you for Kilo Tuesday nakuye futhi. Sibonge siphinde sithokoze mangathokozanga thina uphinde kuthokoze bani. Sibonge.